I was born on March 31, 1685, in Eisenach, a town in what is now Germany. My name is Johann Sebastian Bach, and I am remembered as one of the greatest composers in the history of music. Yet my life was not one of instant fame or extraordinary privilege. Instead, it was built on dedication, faith, hard work, and a lifelong commitment to mastering the art of music. I was born into a remarkable family of musicians. For generations, the Bach family had produced talented performers, composers, and teachers. Music surrounded me from my earliest days, and it quickly became a natural part of my life. However, my childhood was marked by tragedy. I lost my mother when I was only 9 years old, and less than a year later, my father also passed away. Suddenly orphaned, I moved in with my older brother Johann Christoph, who became both my guardian and one of my first music teachers. Under my brother's guidance, I continued to study music with great determination. I learned to play the organ, harpsichord, and violin, and I spent countless hours copying and studying the works of other composers. Even as a young man, I was fascinated by the structure and beauty of music. I believed that every note had a purpose and that music could express both human emotion and divine truth. My first professional positions were modest. I worked as a musician and organist in several churches and courts. These roles provided valuable experience, but I often sought greater opportunities to develop my skills. I became known for my exceptional ability as an organ player. People traveled long distances to hear me perform, and I gained a reputation for my technical mastery and improvisational talent. Throughout my career, I served in various cities, including Arnstadt, Mulhausen, Weimar, Köthen, and Leipzig. Each position brought new responsibilities and challenges. In Weimar, I composed many works for the organ and expanded my understanding of musical forms. In Köthen, where sacred church music was less important, I focused on instrumental compositions. During this period, I created some of my most celebrated works, including the Brandenburg concertos and many pieces for keyboard instruments. Music was never simply entertainment to me. My deep Lutheran faith influenced nearly everything I wrote. I believed that music was a gift from God and that my compositions should glorify Him. This conviction inspired countless sacred works, including cantatas, passions, motets, and other religious compositions. I often wrote music for weekly church services, a demanding task that required creativity, discipline, and unwavering dedication. My years in Leipzig were among the busiest of my life. As the cantor of St. Thomas Church, I was responsible for directing music, teaching students, and composing new works. Despite the workload, I produced some of my greatest achievements. Among them were the Street Matthew Passion, the Mass in B minor, and many church cantatas that remain admired centuries later. My personal life brought both joy and sorrow. I married twice and was the father of 20 children, though several of them died in childhood, as was common in those times. The losses deeply affected me, yet I found strength in my family and my faith. Several of my surviving children became accomplished musicians themselves, continuing the Bach musical tradition. As I grew older, my eyesight began to fail, and my health declined. Nevertheless, I continued composing and teaching whenever possible. On July 28, 1750, I passed away in Leipzig at the age of 65. During my lifetime, I was respected primarily as an organist and teacher rather than as a great composer. However, after my death, musicians and scholars gradually rediscovered my works and recognized their extraordinary depth and craftsmanship.